and welcome to the 2019 Daimler Drive Day. A little bit different to last year. We only focused on the Mercedes-Benz, but this year we want to show you the array of products. So, but welcome from everyone, and I hope you enjoy the day.
Cam that we've done away with the conventional mirrors. New Zealand again our sort of view is to make it standard, and for good reasons. If you want conventional mirrors, that's not optional. So there's two main reasons for the mirror cams, and one is safety, and the second is fuel consumption. Firstly, you can imagine the blind spots that we've taken away with the mirror cams is huge, and the camera itself gives you such wide angle views that it improves your views significantly, and it's a way better level than a conventional mirror would be. So also the fuel consumption side, there's air resistance, so you see it in Europe up to 1.3% saving on having the mirror cams. So again, it's significant. You have a fleet of trucks who do long distance.